What if I told you DJI has just dropped a game changer in the drone world? The DJI Mini 5 Pro has finally shown up in full hands-on images. And let me tell you, it looks like DJI took everything we loved about the Mini 4 Pro and supercharged it. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what a palm-sized drone can be. From its sleeker body to its upgraded internals, this little beast is about to make a huge impact. And yes, it still carries that smug little badge of honor under its 149 grams, meaning in the US, you can fly it without FAA registration. Think of it as having a lifetime VIP pass that lets you skip the DMV every single time. Now let's talk about design and features. The Mini 5 Pro comes with a brand new front-mounted Lidar sensor. And this isn't just some don't hit the tree babysitter. Lidar shines in low light, fog, or those nerve-wracking moments when you're flying over a featureless ocean or snowy field, where depth perception is practically zero. Paired with DJI's new Lidar-assisted ranging, the drone gets smarter navigation, sharper obstacle detection, and fewer embarrassing crash stories. Simply put, DJI just gave this drone survival instincts. Another frustration DJI has finally fixed is the one-time use propeller screws with the Mini 5 Pro. They're gone. In their place, you get a tap and whisk propeller system, which makes swapping props as easy as changing batteries in your TV remote minus the part where you're shaking it to make it work. And there's a mysterious new button on top, the leading theory. Quick power on without the controller. That means when you spot that perfect shot, you'll be airborne in seconds. But the real star here is the camera. The Mini 5 Pro is rocking a massive 1-inch sensor. For a drone this small, that's a big deal. Low light, no problem. City lights, gorgeous. Details, crisp as ever. We're talking 4K video at 120 frames per second. So your slow motion shots will look like they came straight out of a Hollywood movie. And with true vertical shooting, you don't need to crop anything for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Add to that a gimbal capable of rotating up to 225 degrees. And suddenly you're pulling off creative angles you never thought possible on a drone you can literally fit in your hand. Battery life also got a welcome boost. DJI claims 36 minutes of flight time, which already beats the Mini 4 Pro. And if history repeats itself, there's likely going to be a plus battery option for even longer flights. That means fewer low battery panic landings and more time capturing the shots you want, and with full omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The Mini 5 Pro doesn't just follow you, it sticks with you like a loyal sidekick. Whether you're running, biking, skateboarding, or just walking your dog, this drone can track and film without losing focus. This isn't follow mode, it's I've got your back all the way mode. And of course, let's not forget portability. Fold it up, and it's still palm-sized. That's not just a design perk. It's the difference between leaving your drone at home or bringing it everywhere. Hiking, road trips, or even just a casual park day, the Mini 5 Pro practically begs to be tossed into your bag. So, when can you get your hands on it? Rumors point to a late September reveal, and the price is expected to hover around $900. Now yes, that's not cheap for something labeled Mini, but here's the thing, this isn't a toy. This is a pro-grade tool packed into a travel-friendly size. Imagine stuffing a sports car engine into a go-kart and still keeping it street legal. That's exactly why what DJI has pulled off here. Bottom line, the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just breaking the rules, it's rewriting them. It's powerful, portable, polished, and built for creators who want professional quality footage without carrying around a flying brick. The only real question left is, how fast can you make space for it in your gear bag? So, what do you think? Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth nearly $900, or would you stick with the Mini 4 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more drone and tech updates. And check out the videos on your screen for more breakdowns of DJI's latest releases, because, trust me, you're going to want to see what's coming next.